drifting view. I return to something new. Echo terminal and slow, guiding where the pulses go. Fragments whisper, thin and clear. Static shapes that disappear. In the stillness, voltage grows. Underneath the undertows. Blue reflections cutting through.